Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the substitution method. So till now we have gone through the graphical methods to find out the solutions. So now this is one of the method to find out the solution of a pair of equations without drawing the graph. So in this method, suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Suppose these two are the pair of linear equations, then we can consider these equations as 1 and 2. So in this, consider any one equation and make any one variable as subject. Suppose consider 1. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. Suppose a1x is equals to minus c1 minus b1y, x is equals to minus c1 plus b1y by a1. So now substitute the value of x in equation 2. Why equation 2 means here we consider equation 1. So you need to consider equation 2 and you need to replace. That means a2 into x means minus of c1 plus b1y by a1 plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So by this you can get the y value. Later you can find out the x value. So this is with the expression. So now I will explain using one example, then you can understand clearly. So for example, 3x minus 2y equals to 6 and 2x plus y equals to 3, for example. So these are the two equations. So let it be 1 and this will be 2. So now consider equation 1. So what we can write, 3x minus 2y is equals to 6. So we can write here 3x minus 6 is equals to 2y. Then y is equals to 3x minus 6 by 2. Let it be 3. Now substitute the value of y in equation 2. So that implies 2x plus 3x minus 6 by 2 equals to 11. Take LCM, 4x plus 3x minus 6 by 6 equals to 11. By 2. So 7x minus 6 is equals to 22. 7x is equals to 28 and x is equals to 4. So after getting the x value, we know that y is equals to 3x minus 6 by 2. So 3 into 4 minus 6 by 2. 6 by 2, finally 3. So x comma y is 4 comma 3. So like this, by using substitution method, we can find out x and y values. So in case of coincident lines and parallel lines, we won't get x and y values like this. So that also in the next problem I will explain.